Hello everyone. My name is Lily. This is my mom.
This is Carter.
You're going to need some shaving cream, any kind you want. You're going to need glue, of course. You have to, if you want to use, you can use. Oops. Glow in the dark glue. That's $1. This is $1. And this is Tide. The Tide is the best thing. And you can use that, you can use any kind to do it with. You will need a bowl. Yes, a bowl. A spoon.
Now let's get started because Lyric has bedtime and she thinks she's supposed to do it at night, every night. 3 a.m. Okay. So what do we do first?
First, you can use any glue you want. You can use.
Oh, yes.
You can mix them. You can.
Oh, you can mix them.
Yes,
So this enough.
Yeah, how much of that glue you want to use, you can
See, it's like a dime size, like a quarter size, I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna use like a
We're
quarter.
gonna use the same amount.
Oh my god, she used
No.
a lot.
No, I didn't.
Then I'm gonna add a little white in there.
That was a lot.
That was a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you see that? Okay. Now what I do next?
Let me put in my glue because she trying to rush.
I want to start stirring my glue up.
Yeah, you can already start
stirring because I want it to be
like a mixture.
What Carter can you use?
The mixture,
Come on in.
you can stir. You gotta stir it really good like this.
I want mine to be like,
She want hers to be like a lightish blue.
yeah.
And
We should have got the pink.
yeah, but they don't really have pink in this.
Ready?
Glow.
Everybody say hello to Carter King.
This is my little brother.
Say hey, Carter King.
He really loves to be just doing stuff. He really loves to be.
Okay, so let's get back to the slime.
Okay.
So I have the color that I want. It's like a teal blue. I didn't want it to be dark blue because I felt like it didn't look ugly enough. And I thought slime was supposed to look ugly. It's my first time making slime, y'all. So just bear with me, okay? Lyric makes slime all the time.
Okay.
Love slime.
All you need to know that you have to mix it until all your white is gone, like mine.
Well, Carter, don't eat that. Okay.
Let me see.
Well,
Okay, yours is okay. Okay, she's
okay.
trying to feed me.
Okay.
So now I take the shaving cream.
Uh-huh.
It has a little top. Just don't forget that.
Shake it up.
Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Hey. Okay, then you just put it how much you want and see how much fluffy you want. And you want it.
Oh, so the shaving cream makes it fluffy.
Yeah, so. And then
All the shaving cream I use, y'all.
Yeah.
Then I mix it like that.
Yeah.
Cardi, you want to mix it?
Okay, she's going to try to mix it. And it's going to turn like a little lighter. So that's why you always should use shaving cream if you want it to be like a lighter color. Just don't forget, subscribe down below.
Subscribe down below. You like it, you get a heart on your wall.
And it's a giveaway, I think. Slime, I think. No. If you want to add a little bit more shaving cream, you can.
Is this too much?
It comes like that. That means it's all your fluffiness is already mixed in.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to borrow
Don't forget.
this one.
Here, start up.
Okay.
Then
You
what?
can now use your time.
Tied. I'm tired. Just get off of work. If you parents on here watching, you understand how I feel, right? Look at my hair. It's not done. Okay, Leah's gonna pull my tie for me because I don't know how to pull it. This enough?
Yeah. You just sit there and mix until you look at it and it comes together. So
Okay, hold on.
make sure it comes together. It always won't come together. If you don't, that means you didn't
Need
do
some
it
more
right.
glue.
So that's why
You're supposed to add more glue.
if you want to, that's to make it like extra lighter.
Oh my God.
So this is my mom's first time,
Wait, let's see.
and she's doing really good.
Wait, Carter. Let's see.
Y'all should really,
Yeah, I do not like slime.
but she loves rough slime. That's how she likes. She
What this
like
is so
amazing. Like, okay, if you get stuck to your spoon, pretty much came together.
you can use your hand, right?
Yeah.
And then what you do with it? Oh my God.
Like if you don't stretch enough, like that, keep mixing.
Oh my God.
Like mine. I need to keep mixing. Look at their hands. Look, you're not even looking at see. But just make sure it's
I feel
like
Would you put more in there, glue or tie?
you put more Tide,
Okay, I need some more tie.
because that wasn't enough. And that kind of
You just have to keep measuring it
and
until you
wanna
get
use
it the way that you actually want it to be, okay?
Yeah, you can use it. How fluffy. How do you want? So my really brother kind of makes slime with me.
Well, I want to know this.
Okay, she's
No,
gonna mix
it's
them.
gonna be my slime.
This thing.
Okay, kind of how I want it. Like I mix it, like kind of, and this is how it turns out. And I want it this color. It's kind of look messy, but this shaving.
Oh my God, it feels so nasty.
Okay, you gotta keep on playing with it. She thinks everything feel nasty.
It feels so nasty. Feel it, Carter. It feels so
So,
nasty.
Keep on doing this.
Ew.
That means fluffy.
Yeah, it's real fluffy.
So, everyone, stop.
Slime.
It's like fluffy. If you don't stretch them up, that means it's too fluffy. Just to let y'all know.
And then we put it in the champagne.
Okay, but this is kind of okay.
Slime. This is off of my hand.
See, this
Slime, you guys.
My mom taking
So
all slime.
he's taking all my mom's slime.
Stop.
So my real brother, he's only 3. I'm 8. My mom's turning. She's about to turn.
My birthday is Friday, you guys. Say happy birthday.
So comment down below. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Let's comment, you guys. Subscribe, like, okay?
Yes, get to
If
a
you want us to
million
make,
likes.
if you want us to make more slime with you guys at night, parents, help me out, please, because you know I look very tired. But yeah, there's the slime. You know, everybody has the slime. Put it on the table.
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna smash it on the table. Sorry,
No, because it's really scary. It's not,
Mom, can I make my own slime?
no.
not right now, okay, Carter? I'm putting up over.
Yeah, look, Carter pick up all that slime, y'all. Yeah.
It's kind of okay.
Hey, I got you go, Selena.